The Steel Mace Jab looks very similar to an archer from the side, but there are a few subtle differences. So the Steel Mace Jab, what you want to be doing is standing in an L stance position. So you're slightly twisted over. So you've got to think like boxing here. What we're going to do is fairly rapidly extend your lead arm out to effectively jab and punch, but we're going to do with the mace head. So jab out. The important thing here is you've got to use the back arm. It doesn't need to be passive, it's going to be active. So the back arm, I'll let go here with my lead hand, needs to be pushing at the same time as well. So both arms are directly driving forward, and we pull back to the hip, drive forward to shoulder height, pull back to the hip. Unlike an archer, where we're a bit more square on, we push with the lead hand and then we pull with the opposite hand. The jab is both hands are driving forward, and you'll notice there's a little bit of a lean forward and a push off the back foot. So as a little bit of progression, you can just go for single, strike, breathe, strike, breathe. You can go for double strikes, but go for 45 degrees. So out to the side, bring back to the hip, out to the side. And if you want to go even more torso development, you go 90 degrees out to the side, keeping the feet where they are, in front, and then 90 degrees again to use that core development, and your speed is what makes this a more challenging exercise.